Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search application on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you recently shift from a Windows PC to Macbook, you might find it difficult to find your app because of the different interface and organizational choices. In this video, I will show you how to search application on your Macbook. So simple. If you want to search for your application that you can't find on the folders or on the Launchpad, you can just go to the Spotlight search on your menu bar. And here you can just enter the application name that you want to search on your Macbook. Maybe for the example, I will search for a photo booth here. And the photo booth will be up here and here. You can just click on the app. Or maybe you want to search for another application. You can just enter the name of the application in here. So the Macbook will show you the application in here. So simple, right? So that is how to search application on Macbook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.